This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. If you're trying to change the author of a Joomla article and you're finding you're not allowed to select the new author, this might be the fix for you. So here we are in this article that's created by Shabazz, a member of my team, but I want James Snyder, who's the author, to be the created by person here. So when we click on select user here, I've already filtered for James's name. Watch, when I click on that, nothing. I'm clicking, nothing. Now, if I hit F12 for Chrome Developer Tools, I see a number of errors that are happening down here, and I kind of looked at some, and here I notice this is talking about consider taking a look at cross-origin attribute. Now look, I'm a lover, not a fighter. I'm a user, not a programmer. So if you're looking for an explanation of this, you've come to the wrong place. I only offer fixes. But I did some Googling around and I found this article here that was talking about that error. And as I scrolled and was reading, looking for something, I saw this, CORS policy, cross-origin resource sharing. Oh, I remember something in the global configuration about that. So here's what I did. Go cancel. I'll close this article. We will go back to the home dashboard. We're going to go to global configuration. We're going to go to the system tab. Scroll down. No, not the system tab. The server tab. And look, here we have web services enable CORS. All right. Like I said, don't know what this does. But I thought, why not try turning it on? And it's here in Joomla, so it must be fine. And it's already filled out with a nice option here, so I'm going to give it a try. We'll save and close. We'll go back to content and articles. We will go back to an article here. I'm going to click again on created by and click, and look at that. I can now change it. Save and close, and my problem is solved. Now, you might have to log out of your Joomla site and log back in for the change to take effect. In this case, I didn't need to. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.